CS5 HD weatherproof IP camera with color night vision. 2MP HD lens with dual soft light design. Advanced surveillance features include motion detection, human detection, person framing, area detection. Versatile ceiling mount with adjustable viewing angle. When someone's detected, you'll get alerts on your phone instantly, and with built-in mic and speaker, you can chat with them remotely.
Put the package at the door, please. Thank you.
The camera supports multiple night vision modes. Even in pitch black nights, it can still present color images. Built-in battery sustains 10 hours continuous monitoring during power outages. Save recording videos on encrypted cloud server or local TF card and view through the app anytime, anywhere. IP66 rated, fearless of wind and rain, with a longer service life. This is the CS5 HD weatherproof IP camera.